Want to see a magic trick? Go ahead and lock your vehicle, put the key in your pocket, and reach into your door handle. That's going to go ahead and unlock your car for you. Now, unlike a magician, I'm going to go ahead and show you how this little trick works. Now, what you just saw was Ford's intelligent access. And basically what that is, when I've got the key fob near the vehicle, I can reach in, unlock the car, or if I want to lock it back up, I can press these 4 little ridges right here. Now, this isn't just a feature on this Edge in particular. You can get it on the Edge, the Escape, the Explorer, and the Bronco Sport, just to name a few. Now, we've actually got this on the passenger side as well. As we take a step back over here, you can see again, I can reach in, unlock the vehicle. If I want to lock it back up, just tap right here. Now, one more thing, when the vehicle's locked and the key fob is in my pocket, I can step back here to the lift gate, press on the button, and it's going to go ahead and open up for me as well. For more tips and tricks, follow and like, and if you have any particular features you'd like us to go over, drop a comment below.